Hey y'all, welcome back to Simply Rosita on the Boho Babe Homestead. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this package. This is somewhat of a mystery package because the listing was they just put a picture of the box and the name of the item. It's from eBay and I bought this for $14.99. It's supposed to be a tile vibration tool. It's the Bingenuo 10,000 mAh. I have no idea what that means. I had no idea what I'm getting in this box. But so far, what I'm seeing in here is the item is in here. So that's a good sign. It was from a liquidator seller, gr underscore liquidators. And this was the only one they had. I needed one to make the tiling job a little bit easier for me on the tiny home because I have a whole lot of tiling to do. So this is why I got this one. I was looking at some of them on eBay, on Amazon, and those were like $25 and up. But I saw this one for $14.99 and I just took the chance and bought it, and here we are unboxing it. I got these things in here. I'm guessing that this thing here it's for like corners or like getting the shape of angles and so on. But so far so good. Let's get into the box. I'm so glad that this one came with the case, and the the angle grinder that I got, it didn't come with one, so yeah, that's kind of sucks. But this one for $15, this was pretty good. I'm so glad that I took the chance with this and ordered it. So let's see what we got in here. I had no idea what I was getting in here. I just saw it and I kind of googled the name that they had listed there and saw that it was an actual tile vibration tool, and I just went ahead and ordered it. This one, this is the battery, 16 volts, and this is it. It came with two batteries, so this is good. So I could charge them and work for long periods of time. There's a charger. What else do we have in here? It comes with the manual as well. Is it the manual or the warranty? I think it's a warranty, but I don't think there's any warranty on this item. Because it's liquidation, so I don't think there's any warranty. Okay, let's get to opening this bad boy. So this is it. It's a little bit bigger than I thought, and this is what it's looking like. Those are the settings. It has 6 octave strength, 6 vibration strength. This part right here, I'm not sure if this thing was used, or if it's just old, because when I rub my finger on it, it kind of strips. So that's the only thing that I see cosmetically wrong off. Okay guys, so I tested it to see if the power actually pours on, but let's test it on an actual ceramic tile.
That's terrifying.
Okay guys, so there we have it. I think for $15 this was a pretty good deal. It cost me $4,000 in my currency, which was 26 US dollars to clear it. There was no way I was gonna get this item in my country for that price. So yep, this is definitely a good deal for me, and I'm not doing much. I'm not a professional. This is just to get my DIY stuff done. And this is me. I assembled everything back into the box. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.